Guys, what is going on? My name is Kostas Lazanas. We're doing our official Oktoberfest at Oktoberfest Greek Taverna this Saturday, October 7th. From October 1st through the 7th, we're actually going to be having $4 Sam Adams Oktoberfest ales. They are super fantastic beer. It's a Marzen ale full of just flavors. You can taste the crisp bottom air with every sip. But I do have some bad news. Our good friend Kostas, I've texted him, I've emailed him, I've called him numerous times, and for the past 4 weeks, he has literally been AWOL, and I just don't know if we're ever gonna see him ever again. Dude, what are you doing here, man?
What's going on, bro?
Dude, what are you doing here, bro? Hey.
Sit down, yes. Sit down, man.
How did you, what are you? Dude, welcome back. I'm so happy you are back at Oktoberfest Greek Taverna. I've missed you so much. Thank you for coming back, man.
Oh, it's great to be back.
Great to be back.
So
Do you know that a lot of customers have been asking, where have you been? Where have you been?
Well, Kostas, I can't work every day
Where
like
have
you,
you been?
man.
All right. Well, hey, Kostas is back. Thank you, man. You're making my day complete by being here.
That's what I'm here for, guys.
That's what I'm here for. Anything you want to tell the customers?
Yeah, we got.
You want to mention possibly our, I don't know, social media contest winner from
I got it
last
right here.
time me and you got together and we talked to all of our friends?
I got it right here. Got the.
Please, yeah, let them know. All right, let's see. Drum roll. The winner is David Eichelman. David, congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Hey, congratulations. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for helping us out. And I know that Kostas and I are very grateful for each and every one of you. We'll definitely do this again in the future. So congratulations to this time's winner. But there's only like 36 to 64 people who actually participate. So
thank you guys.
Keep sharing keep sharing these videos. Keep commenting, and you know, many hands make light work. So by you going out there and spreading what we're doing here, it really gets the word out there, and we get a ton of guests coming in and enjoying the awesome stuff.
You guys rock.
So, moving on, let's talk about Saturday, October 7th.
6th.
Or the 6th. The 6th. The Saturday the 6th. Kostas, what do we got going on, man? Well, on October 6th, we got the Oktoberfest. And we're gonna be doing, I wanna do half off German Pita wraps between 8 and 10:30. The Stein Hoisting, hold up the Stein. If you participate in the Stein Hoisting, you'll get a beer Stein as well. These really nice Sam Adams beer Steins. And also these little hats here too. So make sure you mention that at the end, okay, if you forget. But yeah, this will be a great time. Bring the family and come get your your German.
Sounds good.
German on.
Sounds good, yeah.
Yep, it's gonna be a good time. You guys should come. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. And I think I'm actually gonna be here hanging out, helping out Kostas, bro. If you're gonna be doing all of that, I don't know. I feel like that's a lot to give away. You gotta
really
want to
some,
give
man.
away half off the German Pita wraps? Are you serious?
Well, I mean, these are our customers. They've been keeping us in business for 5 years
want
now.
to give away these awesome Steins. All they have to do is just hold it up like this for as long as they can. Like that. Stein Hoisting. Stein Hoisting, yeah. Just like that. All right. Well, that's simple. If that's the case, I am taking off. I don't want anything to do with Oktoberfest.
Dude, go
I'm
home,
gonna let
see
you
your
run
wife.
the show Saturday. I'm not even gonna be here. And have
you
a
have
great
two
time
daughters at home?
And make sure you lock up at the end of the night and make sure the servers clean up. And obviously take care of all of our guests.
Of course I'm gonna take care of our guests. I love our guests. Our guests are our lifeblood. I mean, they're everything
One
to
last
us.
thing before we get out of here, guys. gonna talk about the hats, aren't you? We also have the German Alpine hats, well, what Kostas is wearing.
I knew he was gonna say that.
Just make sure that you ask for one on Saturday, October 6th, and we will definitely get you one.
Kostas, you're too much,
have a
man.
little souvenir. So you can definitely walk away with a mug, walk away with an Alpine hat.
Take it easy on this guy, okay?
Time.
He works too hard.
Until next year, Kostas, we will see you guys
Cheers,
later.
man. Cheers.
Cheers, Kostas.
Cheers. Cheers, Kostas. Take care, buddy. Cheers, man. Now that he's gone, let me just say, y'all need to take care of this old man, okay? He works really hard for you guys, all right? Make sure you tell him you appreciate him every now and then. That means a lot. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful, wonderful fall. We'll see you guys later, all right?